Hello everyone. As we all know about the shortage of these